Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a document in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you need to send your notes to someone? Sharing documents in Goodnotes is quick and easy and simple. So let's figure out how to do it together. Let's start by following these few simple steps. But before we do that, here's a quick guide on how to download a Goodnotes application. You're gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna click on install, and once the installation is complete, you're gonna click and open the app. Then you're gonna make sure you log in with your accounts. You can use your Google accounts, etc. After that, you're gonna open your document in Goodnotes. For example, I'm gonna use this as an example. This is a new document. I can edit it. I can write anything, as you can see here. Now, to share the document, you can tap the share icon. As you can see here, it's the export icon in the top right corner. You're gonna make sure to click on it. It has the arrow in it. Click on it to open the share menu. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna open the share and export drop down menu. Then you're gonna copy the link, choose to share, copy link, or export as PDF. You're gonna tap the share button. And as you can see here, you can choose your format, PDF, image, or Goodnotes file. Then select how you want to share, either via email, messaging app, or cloud storage. You can start by clicking, toggling on the option shareable link. Then you're gonna copy the link like this. As you can see, it is copied in the clipboard. And as you can see, you can edit the permissions here in full access, so people can edit or just view the documents. Then you're gonna copy the link and send it to the person you want to send it with. You can also use PDF for universal compatibility. And sharing your notes is easy and flexible. Choose the right format and send your work instantly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.